Hello, I'm Anton. Day 29 of the Daily Crypto Installment Program. Today, I made my usual installments: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. Yes, that was my 29th crypto transaction on February 8th, 2025. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin, as I mentioned in the previous video. And I want to answer an important question today. Bitcoin is worth hundreds of millions. Can you buy half or a little? The answer, absolutely. Bitcoin can be purchased in small denominations, even down to 0.000000001 BTC. There are 7 zeros. It's called a Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. In other words, 1 Bitcoin is equal to 100 million Satoshis. So if you buy 20,000 rupiah, you'll get that amount. You don't have to buy a whole BTC. For example, when the price of Bitcoin was 1 billion rupiah, 1 Satoshi was equal to 20 rupiah. So if you buy 20,000 rupiah, you'll get 2,000 Satoshis. That's why I can pay in installments every day. I don't have to wait until I have hundreds of millions. If you understand the explanation and examples above, please like this video. If you don't understand, please ask in the comments. And for the younger generation, I entrust this to you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share it with your elders or seniors, such as your parents, uncles, bosses at work, or neighbors and acquaintances my age. Maybe they also want to understand crypto but aren't sure where to start. Let's learn together across generations. See you tomorrow. We'll talk Ethereum again.